In Bangalore we are doing 4 lines. Bangalore we are going and there are thousands of houses which are being destroyed. So, but they'll be suitably adjusted as well. In fact, if they have a small house, they may get
So what happens to the Goa is full of heritage houses.
Madam,
100 years old, 500 years old. How are we going to compensate heritage, sir?
There are in India there are houses which are 5,000 years old.
Could be.
Huh?
I'm not saying
Goa.
But that doesn't mean our houses should be destroyed. 550 years old.
Goans were an invading force in India. They came 500 years or whenever. But Indians were they were living here 10,000. When you all came, you all also must have destroyed so many houses here. The Portuguese. And not you.
Sir.
Not you.
I'm an
so
Indian.
This thing goes ups and down.
Sir,
yeah.
I am an Indian. I'm
so
not Portuguese.
that is why I'm saying that.
No, because you said...
No, I was talking about history.
No, I take objection to that statement.
Okay, I'll withdraw that.
I'll withdraw that. From Goa,
yes.
I am an Indian.
Okay, so yes. No doubt.
No, because you said...
No, I said, I was talking about history. It's a fact, as you said, reality. The Portuguese came, they killed Indians, they killed the locals.
For liberation.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And we have to be fully liberated.
No, finish. The meeting is finished. आप मीडिया से तो आपने सुन लिया पूरा
लेकिन आपने ऐसे कहा कि अगर गोवा को नहीं चाहिए डबलिन ब्रिज
तो नहीं करेंगे हम कर भी नहीं सकते हैं मैं गोली लाके थोड़ी चलाऊंगा आई विल नॉट कैप्चर एनी लैंड लाइक द इन्वेडर्स द मुगल्स एंड द पोर्चुगीज एंड द ब्रिटिश हैड डन वी डोंट हैव आर्मी railways don't have an army if the local administration agrees the local government agrees then we'll work otherwise it will remain status quo.
There are existing southwestern railway tracks here we are today.
Railways is not short of business. We already have 100 years of
work.
I'm
not against railways.
We already have 100 years of work and we are very welcome in other states. So we'll just withdraw from here and go and work somewhere else.
I got the southwestern railway officials about a year ago to measure and find out exactly where the second set of tracks will come. And the second track, the second set of tracks comes almost near the steps of the existing houses. And therefore, actually, I had come here today to ask the general manager to have a site inspection so that he can know for himself what the people are talking about, why the people are so upset and worried. Because their houses are going to be destroyed. More trains, greater speed, more vibrations. What's going to be the state of their houses? Besides that, this statement, well, I definitely take a strong objection. He said, you Portuguese. We are not Portuguese. We are the people of Goa and we are Indians.
Will you raise
There
this
is no doubt we were under the Portuguese rule for several years and we got ourselves liberated.